Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you all what I got in my very first Boxycharm. Y'all, I am so excited that I finally have signed up for Boxycharm. This has honestly been a long time coming. Like, I knew I would eventually sign up, but there was a specific product in this one's Boxycharm that kind of just did it in for me. I'm a little bit late on hopping on the Boxycharm subscription bandwagon, and I know that, but y'all, I'm finally on board, and let me show y'all what I got in this month's box. Real quick, before I get in, I just want to say thank y'all so freaking much for helping me hit 100 subscribers. Now, I know that is nothing compared to a lot of YouTubers, but to me that means so much, and when I saw it at work this morning, I literally died. Like, you guys, I love y'all so much, and I know I'm such a small YouTuber, but y'all, it means the absolute world to me. So I just want to say thank y'all so much for helping me hit 100 subscribers. I can't wait to grow this channel with y'all, and I love y'all so much. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is just like a monthly subscription where you can get free makeup products, and I think I pay like $25 a month to get 5 products, and it could be high-end drugstore. I believe it's mostly high-end though, and the stuff that you get in the box always exceeds the amount that you paid for the box. Honestly, I've known about Boxycharm for a while now. I've just been really slow on getting on the bandwagon. I used to be subscribed to Ipsy, but I didn't like how Ipsy always gave samples instead of like full-size products. With Boxycharm, you get full-size products, and you get 5 full-size products. And like I said, 9 times out of 10, it's high-end stuff. It's well worth the price in my opinion. I am just super late on hopping onto this. Both my mother and sister-in-law have been signed up with Boxycharm for a while now. And I remember before I got Boxycharm, I used to like look at their boxes and see what they got. There would be times where I would really want to get it. I just never bit the bullet or bought the bullet. I don't know. But I never bit the bullet just because I don't really know. I don't know what was holding me back. I just didn't think I would like it because, like I said, I've tried Ipsy in the past. I didn't like Ipsy. I was afraid I wouldn't like this, but y'all, when I saw what was in November's Boxycharm, I knew that I had to get it. When you sign up for Boxycharm, you do get a cute little box. It has Boxycharm on the front, and it also has Boxycharm in the inside of the box as well, and then you also get your products inside this box. Now granted, they were packaged up before I opened them. Y'all, when I saw this in the mail this past Saturday, I could not wait to look in this. I pulled into our driveway on Saturday. I was sitting in the car. Devin was outside with Slade, letting him go outside and use the bathroom, and I was sitting in my car waiting for them to get done. And when Devin got on the front porch, he kind of like showed me that I had a package, and y'all, when I saw that it was my very first Boxycharm, I literally died. Like, I was so freaking happy. As soon as he did that, I got out of my car, grabbed the box, and ran to the kitchen to open it up, and y'all, I was so freaking excited. So this is what my box looks like this month. I have a serum, 2 palettes, a lip oil, and then 2 lip liners. Honestly, this eyeshadow palette was the main reason why I wanted to sign up with Boxycharm. It is the Natasha Denona. It is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. If you know anything about Natasha Denona, she has some of the best makeup products. So when I saw that this was in this month's Boxycharm, y'all, I ran to Boxycharm's website and signed up like ASAP. I did create like a pink halo eye with this palette, and I will add those clips to the later part of this video. But this is just a pretty little pink palette. It has 5 shades, 1 shimmer, and 4 mattes. I hope I'm saying these right, but you have Aya, Jasper, Thorn, Amira, and Shine. My favorite shadow from this pan is honestly this mauve pink shadow. If you know me, mauve blushy pinks are my favorite types of pinks. That's my favorite color of all time, and this is literally to die for. I also think you could honestly use this as a blush. It is so pretty and so mauve. It'd be so pretty on the cheeks. And this gold, you guys, is so freaking pigmented. Like, look at that. You honestly can't get any more pigmented than that. It is A1. Now this palette does retail for $48 at Sephora, and if you weren't able to get this palette in this month's Boxycharm, I will leave a link down below. That way you can pick this palette up and you can try it out yourself.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces. we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish.
So the next thing that I got in my Boxycharm was a serum. It is just this HELIOS Earth Harbor serum. It claims to be anti-pollution youth ampoule. It has red algae and plant stem cells in it. Honestly, I need this because I'm about to be 24. I need to start taking a little bit better care of my skin. So I'm gonna start using this at night once I get done with my skincare. I'm just gonna apply this and then apply my moisturizer and see what it does for my skin. I do love that the vase itself has like a red tint to it, so it makes the oil look a little bit red. But y'all, this packaging to me is to die for. It just has this little dropper to it, and I feel like it would be really easy to apply to the face. You can also place it on your hands and like pat it in as well if you don't like to use the dropper directly on your face, which honestly I don't really recommend. Maybe try to apply it on your fingertips and then blot it into your skin. It doesn't really have a fragrance to it. It just smells super clean and it leaves this like nice shine. So I'm really excited to start implementing that into my nighttime skincare. This serum does retail for $48. So if you would like to try it out, I will leave a link in the description down below. So the next thing that I got in this month's Boxycharm was 2 eyeliners. They are by the brand Bodyography, which I haven't heard of them before. I was kind of hesitant about them. I am very particular with my eyeliners, and I didn't know if I would like these. I did get a brown liner and a black liner, which I'm really happy with because I've been trying to find a brown liner. I feel like brown eyeliners are so hard to find. They're either too deep or they're really shimmery. So the fact that I got a brown liner in this month's Boxycharm really made me happy. I probably will try the black liner, but honestly I have so many black liners already that I'll just add this to the collection. I did add the brown liner to my waterline for this makeup look and it applied like a dream. I feel like pencil liners are harder to apply because they dry out easier. It just seems like I always have the hardest time with like true pencil liners, but this one worked so well and it also blended out really pretty. This is what the brown liner looks like. It is more of a darker brown, but it's still super pretty. And I feel like if you have blue eyes or green eyes, this would be super pretty for you because I feel like it would help make your eyes pop. I do like to use black liner, but I feel like it makes your eyes look a little bit smaller, but the brown will definitely help emphasize those true colors. So if you have blue or green eyes, try this product out and let me know how you like it. And then this is what the black liner looks like. Nothing too fancy, just a normal black liner. They do come together, and for 11 bucks for 2 liners isn't too bad. Granted, I haven't worn this out, so I don't know how they do, but for 11 bucks, it's worth a shot. So the next thing that I got in this month's Boxycharm was a lip oil, and it is by the brand Jouer. If you don't know what Jouer is, it is a very popular skincare brand. I've heard nothing but good things about this company, so I'm super excited to try this out. It is just their essential lip enhancer, and it claims to be a conditioning lip treatment. Now, I have already tried this out. I tried this the night that I got it, and y'all, after using this product, it left my lips so buttery smooth. Like, I was in heaven. And let me just tell you, I love a good lip oil, lip treatment, lip mask. And y'all, let me just tell you, I love a good lip product. I think this is a great lip product, especially going into winter. And if you live in drier areas, you need this coming up winter. That way your lips don't get cracky and cakey. I honestly believe that this will save your lips. So go try this out. Now, this product does retail for 17 bucks, but if you're not wanting to spend the $17 for this product, I'm sure there's a dupe somewhere out there. I just don't know what it is. But if you're interested in trying this, I will leave a link down below. And then the last and final thing that I got in this month's Boxycharm was another eyeshadow palette. I got the Esmeralda palette by Beauty Creations. Now, I've never heard of Beauty Creations before, but honestly, this palette is so freaking pretty. This palette was made for the fall, and you can tell by the shades. You have like a pretty emerald green. You have 2 pretty like foresty green shadows as well, along with a maroon shadow and also like a warm brown shadow. Like, y'all, this screams fall. I'm gonna have to create a look using this palette for you guys because I honestly cannot wait to use these shadows. They are so pretty. Look at them. They are stunning. And honestly, this might be the palette I wear for Thanksgiving. Just throwing that out there. You even have like a mustardy yellow and like a pumpkin-y orange in there as well. When Beauty Creations was creating this palette, they were like, what would be the perfect fall palette? I know and I'm gonna create it because this, you guys, is it. Now, granted, I don't know how the shadows swatch, but if you're just looking at it at the appearance, it screams fall. Maybe in my next video, I'll put this to the test and see how it really does. This palette does retail for $13, and if you would like to try it out, I will leave a link down in the description down below. And then that is everything that I got in this month's Boxycharm. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. For this being my very first Boxycharm, I am over the moon, so excited with the products that I got. I can't wait to test some of these products out and let you know my final opinion on them. I literally can't wait to get more boxes in the near future. I'm so happy I finally jumped on the bandwagon, and y'all, I'm ecstatic. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. I would love for y'all to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We just hit 100 subscribers, and I would love for y'all to be a part of my squad. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a video. I do upload new videos every Sunday and every Wednesday, and I'd hate for y'all to miss out, so go ahead and turn on that notification bell. And if there's a video you'd like to see in the near future, leave a comment down below and let me know. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys. Ampoule. Ooh, let me see how I say that too. You know it's expensive when you can't pronounce half the things on the packaging. I'm honestly really embarrassed to say that, but y'all, there's some words on here that I don't know how to say. We got a handsome boy. Hey, I love you. Jouer. And what's Jouer?